Hey guys, this is Japan Master channel. Today I'm visiting the port of Kobe for the Christmas events. Last year I was in the Tennoji and Umeda, Osaka for the Christmas market. But this time I came here in the Kobe for the Christmas market and also the drone show that's coming up. And there will be many illumination sites. Hope you enjoy the night view of the Christmas Kobe.
That's the Kobe Port Tower. It's a symbolic tower of Kobe. After 3 years of construction, this year, 2024, it has been renewal. Under the Kobe Port Tower, they are opening the Christmas food stores. Staff are wearing the Christmas clothes. That's the Japanese armor. You can take picture by wearing with it. This area is called American Park. It often holds some kind of events. These areas of lights are very illusory looks, pretty nice. These objects that people are sitting on are changing color. That's pretty interesting. Let me find one that no one's sitting on. Seems like it's all taken. I found several small Christmas trees. It's getting dark. It's almost time for the drone show. That's the B Kobe World Object. It's very popular photo spot in Port of Kobe. Drone show is about to start. There sounds like bee. Around 500 of drones in the sky. It was my first time to see the drone show. I especially like the 3D modeling part, like a dolphin and Santa Claus. I'm inside of Kobe Port Tower. They are selling the sake, Japanese alcohol. Lower floor of the port tower is free entry, but if you want to go to the upper floor, you gotta pay. These are the Japanese design object of keychain. I'm going to the Christmas market that held in Mosaic over there. But before that, I'm gonna have the dinner. This is my dinner, 100 hours curry at the food court of Umie. As outside was pretty cold, so I'm eating inside. Umie is a shopping mall. They are selling the clothes, interior goods, things like that. Next to Umie is also a shopping mall called Mosaic, but they are selling mostly souvenir products. In Mosaic, there are several Japanese character stores like Snoopy, Kitty, Ghibli, and the Anpanman Museum, and also the Ultraman. I don't have time for the Kitty Land today, so I won't be go there. The night view of Port of Kobe is just awesome. So colorful lights up. This is a Christmas market. Christmas market is pretty crowded. They even opened the skate rink over there.
I'm at in front of Umie. They are holding the Christmas market here. It's pretty crowded, but illumination is pretty nice.
Christmas tree is very beautiful with red ornaments. Let me check out some of the Christmas booths next. My neck is a bit hurt because I was just standing below the drone. I should stand a little backward. It's too cold to play ice skates in such a cold temperature today. It's not ice cream, it's a candle. Even I'm a bit far from the American Park, I can see the drone show clearly. Drone show is held in 2 sessions at night. Seems like many people didn't know the drone show is held in tonight. I can see the Christmas bell design lights up on the first wheel. Next, I'm heading to the Chinatown in Nankin-machi. It's getting late, so by the time I arrive there, most shops will be closing. At this season, Chinatown is holding the Lantern Festival, as you can see on the above. You can try the Kobe beef here. They are also selling the Kobe beef sushi. This is the central area of Kobe Chinatown. Compared with the Yokohama Chinatown, it's very small. Here is the shooting game center, just next to the entrance gate. If you could all the target fall down by shooting them, you can get the one of the figure on the above. This is the snacks area of shooting game. If the snacks fall down, it will be yours. Grabbing the golden ball by the UFO catcher seems very difficult. This is my favorite place to visit, especially at the night illumination season. It's just next to the Daimaru department store. This area, the Motomachi, Western style buildings are being built and is surrounded by the high brand luxury shops like Gucci.
That's all for the Kobe Christmas illumination. Hope you enjoy the night view of Kobe and the illumination and the drone show. If you like the contents, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. By the way, I'm in the Motomachi, a bit far from the port of Kobe. I will see you soon. Bye.